All right, we back. You want to remove this. Remove this so you can release all the slack off of this cam and that timing chain. You would want to remove these. There's a way you could remove this and take all the slack off also with a flathead screwdriver, but you know, I just feel like working fast. That's all that is. That's really all it is. And after this, I won't be able to record myself putting in a camshaft, but if I can get somebody to record for me, I'll show you exactly how I do this. We're switching from a regular camshaft to a racing camshaft, a T49, which is called the A9. Actually, it's not a 49, that's a TA9. A A9 camshaft will make your scooter go faster.